In this video, you will learn how to install the SSL certificate from Godaddy and add and set up the SSL in your website domain. Purchase and download the SSL certificate. Log into your Godaddy account. Purchase the SSL certificate if you have not already, then download it after it's been issued. Generate a certificate site resigning request. From your hosting provider or server, generate and submit it to your Godaddy to validate your domain and issue the SSL. Verified domain ownership. Complete the domain validation process by confirming via email, DNS record or file upload, as instructed by Godaddy. Install the SSL certificate on your hosting website. Upload and install the SSL certificate file through your hosting provider control panel or via the server configurations. Configure HTTPS for your website. Update your website settings to force HTTPS, ensure all traffic is redirected. Test your SSL setup. Use tools like SSL Checker or simply visit your site in the browser to confirm your SSL is active and your site is secure. Now you know how to install and set up your SSL certificate from Godaddy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.